Wildfire of freedom, burning so high, dancing with shadows under the sky. No chains to hold me, no walls to bind, leaving it all to the wind behind. Wildfire of freedom, lighting my way, warmth in the darkness, guiding the stray. Never look back, let the past be gone. This is the place where I belong. Adding fuel to the flames, echoes of silence call out my name. No turning back, no regret inside, only the fire in the endless night. Embers glow like a mating sun, tales of the wild have just begun. No need for roads, no need for maps, just a crackle of wood and the breeze in my lap. Wildfire of freedom, burning so high, dancing with shadows under the sky. No chains to hold me, no walls to bind, leaving it all to the wind behind. Wildfire of freedom, lighting my way, won't fear the darkness, guiding the stray. Never look back, let the past be gone. This is the place